So, one of the worst possible ways to wake up, I think, is having a Charley horse, right? So, I had one of those last night, woke me up out of a dead sleep, and it made me decide to make this next video. But interesting, what causes them is muscle fatigue or not stretching enough. So literally, like, no matter which way you go, you're definitely susceptible to them, and dehydration. But I always tell people, when you have a pain, you have to lean into it to get relief. And our natural, like, reaction, like almost like defensive reaction, is to like pull away from that pain, but you actually need to go into it. So here are a couple of stretches that I really think make a difference.
I do. They heard I was good. They wanna see if it's true. They know you're the one I wanna give it to.